Today we're looking at the Slayer 3-in-1 gaming kit. I got this at Menards for $26.74 after taxes. Before taxes it's $24.99. I only needed a new keyboard because my A key went out on my 8-year-old Windows keyboard, and it says the interface is USB. It's not wireless, it's wired. It comes with the keyboard, the mouse, and the mouse pad. The mouse resolution is 800, 1000 to 1200 DPI. I guess you can set it. Key lifetime is 3 million clicks. Keyboard is 47 by 18 by 2.5 centimeters. Key lifetime is 5 million clicks per key. They're all LED backlit. Again, got it at Menards, and it's built for performance, designed for gaming, or so they claim, and has illuminated keys and RGB color scheme. The keyboard is nice and thick like my ex-wife. Clicky keys, some people like that, some people think it's professional sounding. I don't really care. The mouse pad. And the mouse itself. 4 buttons, I assume, are the DPI button, the scroll wheel, clicky scroll wheel, now it's time to test this out. I don't like my tests being super long, so I will have the information on what DPI I'm using on the mouse on the screen somewhere, and I am using the keyboard to move the character around and to pick up weapons and drive a little bit as well. So be prepared for this test to be kind of jumpy, because it's really difficult for me to test this stuff out when I don't really know how to use a gaming keyboard. I do know how to set DPI on a mouse though, so if everything seems a little wonky, that is why. Honestly, the mouse is okay. It's great. I like that you can adjust the DPI. I'd say my favorite is probably 1000. 1200 is too fast. 800 is okay too, but it's not an ideal speed for me. The keyboard is okay and kind of cool looking as well, except for the oddly shaped enter key. You'll think you're hitting enter and you'll end up hitting shift or the bottom part of the enter key, and sometimes it connects with the keypad underneath, sometimes it doesn't, so be on the lookout for that. Other than that, I think it's great for the price and it looks nice.